Common phrasal verbs with let. Let something down. Let something down. It means to make clothes longer. Examples: I need to let down this dress. It's too short. Don't let this skirt down. It's already too long. Let someone down. Let someone down. It means to disappoint someone. Examples: he really let me down by lying to me. She's afraid that her friend will let her down. Let on. Let on. It means to reveal a secret. Examples: that was John who let on that she had stolen the money. She will let her parents in on her decision. Let someone off. Let someone off. It means to forgive someone. Examples: the police officer let him off without arresting him. She let off her student for not doing her homework. Let off. Let off. It means to cause an explosive explode. Examples: they didn't have any idea who had let off the bomb. The fireworks let off a loud boom and colorful sparks. Let up. Let up. It means to become less strong. Examples: the boat won't sail until the strong winds let up. The rain finally let up after a week of heavy downpours. Let something into something. Let something into something. It means to put something into a flat surface. Examples: a box was let into the floor of the cupboard. Two large windows were let into the wall each side of the door. Let out. Let out. It means to end. Examples: school will let out at 12:30 p.m. this Friday. What time does the movie let off? Let something out. Let something out. It means to make clothes larger. Examples: I've gained weight, so I should have my skirt let out. Can the skirt be let out at the side? Let someone out. Let someone out. It means to release someone. Examples: after 10 years, he was finally let out of prison. I let out our dog this morning to play. Let in on. Let in on. It means to allow someone to know something. Examples: she will let her parents in on her decision. He wouldn't let me in on his plans. Let in. Let in. It means to allow someone or something enter a place. Examples: let the light in with a tall sliding glass door. Jack knocked on the door, and I let him in. Let yourself in for something. Let yourself in for something. It means to be involved in a bad situation. Examples: I don't know why Jim lets himself in for an isolated lifestyle. I don't know what I was letting myself in for. Let pass. Let pass. It means allow someone to pass by. Examples: please slow down and let him pass. My dad didn't let the other car pass. Have you ever let anyone down? Comment below. To see other phrasal verb videos, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.